Hey guys, welcome back to yet another software development update of Toffee Mocha WAN emulator. Ever since my previous update, I've been working on a few features, and apart from that, I was quite busy with some other stuff. And in this update, I would like to share a few changes I have done in Toffee Mocha. Unlike before, the factor variable which can be either dynamic delay factor or drop factor, or else like a random delay factor. So these factor variables earlier used to have a range of 1 to 10, and sometimes 1 is least amount of intensity or greatest amount of intensity, whether it is a case of packet drops or a packet delay or something like that. Whereas in this case, I have increased the range from 1 to 30, unlike 1 to 10, and this gives a flexibility to the users to increase its intensity further beyond, or else decrease its intensity than existed before. So with this, I was doing a few tests, and I've done file transfer tests, and I'm doing currently some few ping tests. And with this, what can happen is you will get a lot more bursty traffic. I can see the graph over here, it is a lot more wavy, and let me take a screenshot and share it with you guys. And in this case, you can see, let me take also a screenshot of my desktop and share it to you guys. So as you can see here, it has a lot more range. Unlike before, it has a complete range from 1 to 30, and apart from that, as I discussed before, in this upcoming release, I'm going to release a new feature called as random delay, and with that you can achieve even more WAN like traffic pattern scenarios as such. So, and apart from that, I'm also doing research on wireless mobile backhaul networks. I'm getting a few emails from a few companies with respect to the same, and I was trying to simulate as much as possible Toffee Mocha as close as it simulates sort of these kind of networks, as well as they are very curious in terms of testing Toffee as well in this kind of deployment scenarios as well. So I need Toffee Mocha at any cost to simulate a real WAN like situation where it gives the users complete freedom, because not every network is going to be the same. Each case is going to be different, and you may face few issues with your WAN network, and you need a sort of test mechanism to test your issues which you are facing in your real WAN networks. And Toffee Mocha gives a platform to do these kind of things, and with that you can test your scenarios arising in your real WAN network. So I have connected this is my test laptop, and this is my Toffee Mocha device, and currently I have installed Toffee Mocha in my mini PC, as you can see here. And I have also an another laptop over there where in which I have the files and few other stuff, so that I can pull the data to and fro, and then I can test the traffic patterns via Toffee Mocha. So that's all guys for this episode. I hope you guys liked watching this video. In case if you have any queries, please send it across via YouTube comments, or post me across in my email. So thank you once again for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.